guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be unboxing some fine jewellery pieces. I will be showing you what I picked up from Van Cleef. This is my first ever Van Cleef piece, so I'm super excited. And also I'll be unboxing something tiny from my favorite Cartier. So if you're interested, keep watching. I can't wait to show you my new fine jewellery pieces. And also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram if you want to see some outfit inspo pictures. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, and I show you my daily outfits on my stories as well. So if you're interested, come say hello. I'd love to see you there as well. Let's get started. I just realized today is the 14th of February, so happy Valentines, guys! And what a better timing to be unboxing some fine jewellery bling bling pieces. I can't wait. So let's get started with... Let's start with Van Cleef because I know many of you are probably interested to see. I actually posted a shopping vlog and I tried on some more Van Cleef pieces. So if you've missed that shopping vlog, I'll make sure I link it up here in this corner for you to check out if you're interested. And today I'll be showing you what I picked up. So as I mentioned, this is my first ever Van Cleef. To be honest, I wasn't planning on buying anything from Van Cleef that day. I just wanted to go check out the pieces, see how I like them, because I have to confess something. I've never ever been a big Van Cleef fan, to be honest. So I always thought some of their jewellery pieces look a bit more mature, and I thought they would look perfect on my mum, let's say, but not on me. I think some of the colours they have are for older women, at least that's how I see them. I hope you guys don't get offended. I think they're all beautiful, the piece is absolutely stunning, but like for example, I've always been interested in the malachite, the green, because I love green. However, when I tried it on, I felt that it didn't look young and fresh. It made me look a bit more mature, and I think that piece would look better on my mum, let's say. But I hope you guys don't get offended, that's my personal opinion. So I wanted to go check out the pieces, see all the colours they had available, and see if I will like something on me, because as I mentioned, I've never ever imagined myself wearing Van Cleef. You know that I'm a huge Cartier fan, so let me show you what I ended up picking. And I got a little travel case, then I have the certificate with the serial number and my receipt. I'm not gonna show you that. And then the Van Cleef piece came in this beautiful box, so you can tell it's a bracelet. I did try on some bracelets. I wanted my first Van Cleef piece to be a bracelet. As always, there is a story behind this piece, but let me unbox because I'm sure many of you are interested to see what I picked up, and then I will tell you why I picked this. So here we go, the beautiful green velvet box, and let's see how many of you guessed. So I picked up this stunning baby blue color, and I received so many messages, so many DMs, and some comments as well on my previous video asking what color is this, what is the name of the stone. So this is actually the blue agate, is that how you say it? Blue agate? I really hope I'm saying that correct. So this is actually the blue agate, which I believe used to be a limited, very hard to get piece, only reserved for VIP clients, and then in the most recent years they made it available for all of us. So now I think it's a part of their permanent collection. I'm not super familiar with Van Cleef, so do correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Let me take this out quickly. Oh wow, it's really stuck in there. So this is the gorgeous piece that I picked up. I will definitely insert some close-up footage so you can have a better look. I thought this color was so beautiful and so unique because I haven't seen it. When you go online, the blue agate precious stone looks very vibrant and very opaque. It looks like a completely different stone to what I picked up, to be honest. So let me actually go back and tell you the full story. I was interested in a couple of pieces. I did want to try all the colors and see how they look on me, but I was interested in the black onyx. The hammered gold, I don't like the other gold, the one that's very shiny. I prefer the hammered gold. And I was also interested in one more very special piece that I actually didn't realize was so limited and so hard to get. That was my top choice. I will insert a picture here. So I was scrolling through Instagram looking at pictures and I came across this piece and I fell in love. I thought it's so unique, I've never seen it before. So I did some research and I found out the name was rock crystal. I didn't know what stone that was. So I went to Van Cleef and I asked straight away for that piece, and when I mentioned the name, the lovely SA who served me said, "Oh, I'm sorry to tell you, but this is like a really difficult piece to get hold of." He said he's been working at Van Cleef for a couple of years and he's seen it only 1 or 2 times, and they do receive 1 or 2 pieces per year and they allocate it to the VIP clients. So that was a bummer because that was the most gorgeous piece I have seen. It's so unique and so beautiful, and then when he told me that, I was really upset. Let me put this one on actually. I've been avoiding wearing this for months now because I bought it before Christmas, and every time I was filming a video I had to take it off. I wanted to film an unboxing and surprise you guys, so I had to take it off every time, but I've been wearing this piece a lot. It is so beautiful. I do take it off at night. I don't sleep with it and I don't shower with it because the precious stones are very delicate and they do not recommend you wet them. Oh, that's only for the precious stone pieces. You don't have to worry about the solid gold pieces. You can shower with them, swim with them, they're fine. It's only for these. So going back to my story, when I saw the blue agate color online, I really liked it, so I wanted to try it in store. They had it available. I will insert a clip so you can see the different shades of the blue agate. So make sure you ask to see a few pieces or let them know what shade of blue you prefer, because apparently they are all different, slightly different shades, and that's because they cut the stone different. So for example, my one looks very like light and baby blue because that's just the part of the stone and that's how they cut the stone. So me and my SA were actually chatting for quite some time. I think I must have spent at least an hour at Van Cleef, and he was so lovely. I was so lucky that he was the one who helped me, and he was so knowledgeable, so patient with me. I explained what I wanted, what I was after. I kept mentioning how much I loved the rock crystal and why I love it, and then he was like, "Hold on, can you wait a couple of minutes? I'll go in the back and I want to show you something. I think you might be interested." This is perfect. Thank you so much. My Christmas gift from me to me.
Yay.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much for your help.
You're more than welcome. Have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you.
You're more than welcome.
That's perfect. Thanks. So he comes back and he brings this piece on a tray. And I was like, "Oh my god, what is this? What is this stone?" And he was like, "Well, actually, this is the same blue I showed you earlier, but it looks different. It looks baby blue because of the way the stone is cut. So that's why it looks like a different stone." And when he showed me this piece, I fell in love. I thought it was such a beautiful, soft baby blue color. It's very unique. And then he showed me this. I'm not sure if it will show on camera. I really hope it shows. I'll try and show you. But he held it up like this, and actually the stones on this baby blue, because they are lighter blue color, they look see-through. So it's actually very similar to the rock crystal. That one is completely see-through, and this one, because the stones are very light blue, they actually look, even when you put it on your hand, you can see through the stones, and I fell in love with the piece. I thought it was so unique, so beautiful. So he was like, "I know it's not rock crystal, but this is the closest to rock crystal, the most similar piece." So it was love at first sight. I fell in love with this piece. I thought it's so unique. I have never seen it on anyone. I wanted to buy something different. And I know many people go for the mother of pearl as their first piece, but I definitely do not want that because it's so common. I wanted something very unique. I don't think I would ever buy the mother of pearl because to me everyone has that one, and I want to stand out. I want to have more unique pieces, so this is what I picked, and I couldn't be happier. So because the hammered gold bracelet was sold out, he actually gave me a long necklace to try on. So I wrapped it around my hand and tried it together with this bracelet, and I thought it was the loveliest combination ever. So I think my next piece will definitely be the hammered gold. And yeah, I think they would look stunning together. I am so excited to wear it, especially in the spring and summer. This will look so stunning. And yeah, I'm super happy. It is a bit long. They said that I could resize it, but I do prefer looser bracelets, so I said I would think about it. Plus he said that if I end up buying another Alhambra bracelet, you can connect them together and wear as a 10 motif necklace. Okay, I hope I'm not forgetting anything, but if I missed something, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. So let's continue with Cartier. Okay, so this is the tiny little Cartier bag, and this I purchased over the phone. I had Harrods points and I wanted to spend them, so I was browsing online and I picked this. This is the certificate, the little red booklet with the... Okay, so inside is the serial number, I think, so I won't show you that, but this is the certificate and the date I bought it. 30th of January 2021. And then we have the tiny little box. So, oh, these boxes are so beautiful. Here it is, and there is nothing because I'm already wearing it. I think only one person noticed in my previous video that I was already wearing this beautiful Justin Clue earring. You guys know that the Justin Clue range is my favorite. I think it's so cool. I love the nail. I have two nails. I have the one with the diamonds and the thinner style as well, and I want to buy more nails. I'm obsessed with the Cartier nails. I want a bracelet, I want another ring, and I want the big hoop earrings as well. When it arrived a couple of weeks ago, I opened the box and it looked so cute inside this box. I took a picture to send to my friends and family and they loved it. It is so beautiful. So this piece only comes in solid yellow gold. It doesn't come in rose gold or white gold. To be honest, that was perfect because you guys know that I only wear yellow gold. I do have a pink gold from Cartier, my first love ring, but I do prefer the yellow gold, so I was super happy. Also, my Maria Tash earrings are all gold with diamonds, so I definitely wanted a gold. So yeah, I'll show you an up close so you can see it better. You can wear it on your lobes as well. I do like the look on my helix. I think it looks super cool, and to be honest, I've never ever seen this piece on anyone. I've never seen anyone talk about it or wear it, and I thought it was super cool, so I put it on my helix, but you can wear it on your lobes. And actually I want to pick up one more and wear it as two little hoops here, so I think yeah, I will purchase one more. However, this was actually the last piece available in Harrods and it is sold out everywhere else. It sold out on the Cartier website, it sold out on the Selfridges website, and they only had one piece available in Harrods. So I picked that one up, and I think when the boutiques reopen, because we're currently still in lockdown, I will go and place an order. Hopefully they'll be able to source for me one more piece, and I would love to wear them as tiny little hoops, as everyday earrings. So if you want to wear it on your helix, and if you had a very tiny little lightweight earring before that, you might find this a bit heavy and uncomfortable the first couple of days, but it will be fine later. You can totally get used to it. So yeah, I think it is super adorable and I'm very happy. And I got it free. Well, not free, I did use my Harrods points, but I didn't have to pay anything, so that was great. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's fine jewelry unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think, which one was your favorite piece, and yeah, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I will make sure I link everything down below, so do check out the description box. I'll link my bracelet, the earring if I find it, what I'm wearing, my makeup and all that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would love you to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and I'll see you hopefully very soon in my next video. Bye guys.